Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your SST teacher Afshin. Today I am going to tell you about the types of maps. And student, you will be also list down the different type of maps and define the different maps by yourself. In this unit you will read about the 4 types of maps. And today we have to discuss 2 type of maps in this lecture, and the other 2 types we will discuss in our next lecture. The 4 types of maps are atlas map, topographical map, cadastral map and distribution map. But today we have to discuss the atlas map first. Now maps and their types: atlas map and topographical map. Atlas is a collection of maps. It is typically a bundle of maps of Earth or a region of Earth. In addition, it represents geographical regions and political boundaries. Now in atlas map, atlases often shows the features like geopolitical, social, religious and economic statistic. It also gave us information about the map and the places on it. Another type is topographical map. A topographical map is a type of map characterized by large scale detail and quantitative representation of relief. And it is usually using contour lines connecting points of equal elevation, but historically using a variety of methods. Traditional definition requires a topographic map to show both natural and man-made features. It tells us in detail about the ground relief like landform, drainage, lakes and rivers, forest cover, populated areas and the other man-made features. Now it's time for the home task. Draw and label topographical map of Pakistan in which you will show roads, railway lines, rivers and canals, and then send me on the address given below, which is afshin@chandbaghdg.edu.pk.